Hey guys, it's Mike with Family Handyman, and today I'm going to show you how to install a screen door, specifically an easy hang screen door. I'm going to show you just how easy it is. The kit you purchase has everything you need. All you'll need to bring are a drill, a tape measure, and a pencil. Let's get started. The first step is to use the hinge rail to set a placeholder screw. So after the placeholder screw is in, you want to take off the hinge rail because we're going to use the hinge rail to attach to the door. Next, we're going to assemble the door, which means we're going to attach the sweep. We have an extension to the rail, and then we're going to install the hinge rail to the door. Next, we're going to hang the door on the placement screw we did in the first step. That'll keep the door in position while we attach the hinge rail to the house. Now that the door is hanging, I can fasten it on the inner side of the hinge rail, close the door, do the same on the outer side of the hinge rail. Next, we're fastening the drip cap, followed by the latch rail on the other side. These rail extensions are nice. They slide in, and then when you install the rail, you slide them down to close that gap. Now that the door is installed and the rails are on, we're going to work on installing the lock set. This door comes with a nice little guide. All you do is snap it on, and it shows you where to drill these 4 holes on the front and the 4 holes on the back. To install the lock body, slide it in and tighten the screw. Then we install the handle hardware. Once the handle is on, tighten up the set screw to keep them in place. So sometimes you won't have enough clearance for the latch or the deadbolt to hold the door closed, so you have to come in with a Forstner bit or another drill bit, drill out through the trim, and then chisel it out so that it's square. Then add the strike plate. So there it is, door's installed, works great, and it really only took a half an hour. And the hardest part about the whole installation was having to lift and move the door around. For more great installation tips, head to familyhandyman.com.